Worried about getting suspended on Amazon? In this video, I'll go over 3 strategies to protect your account. Strategy number 1 is to create a daily checklist. Something that a lot of people aren't doing, and this daily checklist should be checked daily, 7 days a week, 365, even on holidays. Amazon loves to suspend your account right before a holiday, right before a vacation. Even at 1 a.m. is when most of the suspensions happen while you're sleeping. So it's always good to have a checklist. So in this checklist, number 1 is to review all performance notifications. You want to be on top of your performance notifications. Sometimes Amazon gives you like 48 hours or 24 hours to fix an issue. If you don't fix the issue, you're suspended. Number 2, account health tab. Same thing. You want to stay on top of this. You want to understand what it is, review all the issues under the account health tab, and of course, review all your emails. Reviewing all your emails isn't as important as number 1 through 3, but I still added it on there so you can see your performance. Go to performance notifications, and you can see your performance notifications. I mean, just look at this one. Account required, listings at risk of removal. And what happens sometimes is your listings get removed, and if you don't do anything about it, after another 24 hours, your entire account gets deactivated. That has happened to clients, right? So you need to stay on top of this and make sure that you are ready to go. Notification of restricted products removal. So again, if there are notifications and your products are removed, get on it ASAP. What we have is we have a team that looks over everything 24/7, even on holidays. Christmas, they're still working. Right when a performance notification comes in, we send it over to our team and we resolve it without even you saying a word. So that way we can make sure your business stays up all of the time. You should be doing it 7 days a week too. Again, it's just how Amazon works. Right when things start going good, or there's a holiday season, or you're going on vacation, that's when Amazon says, we're about to suspend you. And you're like on a plane. Just, it'd be nice just to have some backup. Your health, make sure it says healthy. If it's not healthy, you need to get on it ASAP, which I'm going to be talking about. Here, you make sure everything says 0. Even if it says it doesn't have any impact, get it to 0. Okay, you need to get it removed. Everything has an impact. Amazon's lying to you. Manage your compliance. Make sure all your compliance requests. This one won't get you suspended, but it's good to just see. If you want to get your compliance removed, you can just delete your product and then kind of go from here. Also, you want to test how to call Amazon. So if there is, this leads me to number 2, is whenever there is a performance notification or something, a policy compliance issue, right? Call Amazon. Call Amazon account health specialist. You should also call them now if you've never called them. This is different than seller support. They specifically have access to the internal team, can talk to the internal team directly, and help you monitor your account to make sure it's healthy. So if something goes wrong, these guys are your go-to. They can help make sure your account doesn't get suspended, right? Make sure your emergency contact information is verified. It might help you. I didn't really add this on the checklist because Amazon kind of sucks, but this one's very, very important. So make sure you have this option. If you don't have this option, make sure you're a professional seller. If you're a professional seller and you still don't have this option, contact Amazon support and make sure you have access to this, because this is going to be a necessity once something goes wrong at your business. So check your performance notifications right when you get a performance notification like this one. You've only got 10 days or your entire account's gonna get deactivated, which all sellers love this type of notification. But anyway, right when this happens, it's time to try to resolve it. If you can't resolve it, you're going to call account health support, and you need verbal and written notification that says that your account is healthy, right? Written notification. So once you call them, they will send a performance notification saying, thank you so much for contacting us. We really appreciate you, right? Also, we talked about that your account's good to go. Nothing to worry about. You want to screenshot that, because one of our clients, we did that, and then Amazon suspended them the next day. But we had proof that the account health specialist said, hey, your account's good to go. We submitted that in our appeal and it got reinstated in 1 day. Amazon was like, oops, we messed up, an employee messed up, they lied to you. And as long as you have some type of written proof That's going to help big time getting your account reinstated quick. Number 3 is to learn Amazon suspension policies. Why does Amazon suspend sellers? What are the top reasons that you get suspended, right? Look that up. Also, when you get suspended, they usually send some type of notification like this. And it says, we've deactivated in accordance with Section 3 of Amazon's Business Solutions Agreement. What is Section 3 of Amazon's Business Solution Agreement? Have you read it before? Do you know Amazon's Business Solution Agreement? If you don't, you should. And here it is. I'm just going to go over it for you. So here's the Business Solution Agreement. It's very, very long, but I want you to go through it in your free time, right? You can Google it and find it. But Section 3, this is the most important section. We may terminate or suspend this agreement or any service for any reason at any time by notice to you. What this means is Amazon can suspend you for any reason, right? You probably thought you had to do something illegal. Nope. Amazon can suspend you just because they don't like you. So if you become really popular, if you piss off an Amazon employee, if you date an Amazon person and then she or he becomes an Amazon employee, she could try to get you suspended, right? So a lot of issues here. Amazon can suspend you for any damn reason. So you want to understand this. You want to be sure, is there any like loopholes or anything? Just be weary of this and understand. And if you want to protect yourself, it's always good to have a stealth account. Now, what's a stealth account? It's going to be a second Amazon Seller Central account, but this one, Amazon doesn't know it's owned by you. So if you have a backup account that Amazon doesn't know it's owned by you, and you're selling on that already, you've got a backup ready to go, that's how you win at this game. You have a second account and Amazon doesn't know it's owned by you. It's for those who have a suspended account or just want to have backup. For a lot of our large clients that are making $1 million a month, they have backup accounts, usually 3 or 4 backup accounts, so that way they are safe. And if their main account gets suspended, which does happen because Amazon can, an employee can piss some person off, they'll suspend you, right? You want to be ready to go, okay? And you want to have that backup account. And right when things goes good, that's when bad things happen. It's just how it is, because that's just how life is. So you want to be prepared. Now, I do have a free video, if you type in on YouTube, how to create an Amazon Stealth account. If you do have an IT background, I have a cybersecurity background, you'll be able to understand this video, go through the steps, and create a stealth account yourself. If you don't, you can contact us, we'll make it for you, or in the link, we have a full step-by-step course. Even if you don't have an IT background, it teaches you how to do it. Currently, I have 4 stealth accounts, and we've already created over 10 stealth accounts. In the course, we've got over 40 people who've joined, and we've just done this 6 months ago, so it's not bad, and it's been going really, really well. So if you want to have a backup, that's another option. But that's it for today's video. What's one way you avoid getting suspended on Amazon? Drop a comment below and share it with everybody else. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, making sure your account doesn't get suspended, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, monitoring your account health, making sure you don't get suspended, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time on your business instead of worrying about minute details like your performance notifications, account health. We'll be monitoring that, increasing your sales every day, and help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.